Hi guys, Stone here with Actionable Insights. Welcome to this week's Monday Minute. In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand and collapse the guidance provided within the XactXpert drawer. Here in Xactimate, on the right side of the screen within the XactXpert drawer, we have three buttons labeled Violations, Warnings, and Cautions. These are the types of alerts that are provided within the XactXpert drawer. Clicking amongst these three will switch between those types. If you click on Violations, you'll see Violation Alerts. If you click on Warnings, you'll see Warning Alerts. If you click on Cautions, you'll see Caution Alerts below. Now bear in mind that this is live estimating guidance. The types and amounts of alerts you're given are entirely dependent on your scope and react to your scope as you write it. If you have a lot of alerts to review, you can click on the button again to collapse the list and see the entire list of that type of alerts. If you want to expand it and read the guidance, click on that button again. This gives you flexibility in how you review and handle the live estimating guidance within the XactXpert drawer. Thanks for checking in on this week's Monday Minute, guys. Keep learning and growing.